Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can enable large audio meter for audio monitoring in CapCut PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my CapCut PC, and first of all I'm going to add this video to the timeline. And if we want to monitor the audio, we can take a look at this audio meter, and it's too small, right? And if you want to get a larger audio meter, you can click on the
link to this column. And first thing first, we need to choose a cell we want to add a link to. And I'm going to add link to D2 cell right here. And we can go to the more option and choose this icon.
Small audio meter
and here you need to add text and the link to your cell. And I'm just going to add Wikipedia, for example,
that's all the way to
and you can paste
enable a large audio meter for audio monitoring in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.